time to get started. Is going on today, guys? I hope everybody's been having a great day. We're starting off today at the exhaust shop. Yes, that is perfect. Heck yeah. Let me hear it. Give it a little bit. Alright guys, we are going to run up to my cousin's real quick. We just got done at the exhaust shop. Ignore my farmer stand. And this muffler did exactly, it's the cherry bomb glass pack from AutoZone, which did exactly what me and Cheyenne both wanted. It gives it just a little deeper sound. You could actually hear it. And it's not too loud, bro. Like, you can barely hear it. I can barely hear it sitting here idling, which is exactly what we wanted. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what Cheyenne wanted. She might want it a little bit louder, which we'll deal with that as time goes by. But I figured I needed to make this little update video for you guys and let y'all hear it. Let's see what she sounds like pulling out of here. Yep, sounds good to me. Not too loud at all, not too loud at all. It sounds great. Let's turn around right here. Sounds absolutely phenomenal. Cool beans. Let me pull up the GPS. I'll pick you guys back up when we get to Cody's. We're gonna get his reaction to it. I don't know which one he's at, so I'll wait a second. Where the hell is he at?
Put my exhaust on there.
I tried to buy it from you that day we was over there, and you was like, I'm gonna put it on the new one.
I had to wait for the insurance company to look at the tire and everything.
I'm gonna wait. He said something about putting it on the cat eye.
Yeah.
Ready? Can I do it now or wait?
Yeah, just go for it.
This is Cheyenne's. I can't do everything to it, but this is what she wanted. We were just trying to make it sound a little deeper, and just a tad bit louder, and that's what we got.
Take the cats out, and it'll definitely be deeper. Holy shit, that's a sharp ass turn.
Go right here and turn around. I think it sounds a lot better though. It made it sound a lot better.
Really gonna get it.
Whoops. I didn't mean to do that.
I got stuck.
That's exactly what happened.